हरिः कर्ता।
So now let's look into the few more labelings. The next one is annotations. So we can also annotate points on a plot. So often by connecting an arrow pointing to XY. So to a piece of text at XY text. Okay. So let's take that example. Annotation. Let me get into. Yeah. This time it's annotations. As usual, let's take fig and ax objects plt dot subplots and argument fig size a tuple of 5 comma 2.7 and execute. Yeah, all fine. Let's move ahead next. Now let's add data. Let's take data. So this time I'm gonna say t is equals to np arrange. We're checking an array. So it starts at 0.0 and then we'll go till 5.0 and then at 0.01 fractions. Okay, and let's print t and see the what data we are getting. Okay, oh, huge amount. Just imagine we are making 0 to 5.4 5.0 0.01 like different parts. So how many it would be it will have a huge amount of 0.01 parts in this in between 0 2 and 5 interval. Okay, now let's remove this. Now let's take one more array. So this time it's np dot cos of. It will be taking cos angle because we want to build a sinusoidal wave. So 2 times I'll take np dot, let me give a space, np dot pi is the pi value and then times will be just multiplying with that above array, and let me execute it. So no issue at all. Let me print s and see what's going to get, and these are the values we got from 1.00 till, oh, huge amount of data, till 9.98. Okay, that's what the data we got. Now our data is ready. Now it's time to build. So line is equals to ax dot, let's plot, um, and t is the data to be plotted on x-axis and s is the data to be plotted on y-axis, and then lw is equals to 2, that's width. Okay, and here is that, here is your sinusoidal wave, and this is what widely used. Line width is 3. I'll increase to 6 if you want to see more bigger, but I'm gonna reduce it because as it is increasing it looks like a spring, not like a sinusoidal wave. So let me make it to 1.5. That looks better. Yeah, it looks better. So most the sinusoidal wave is widely used everywhere, from electromagnetic radiation to the electric current and AC alternating current. So everywhere we use this, and it's the representation of lot of concepts in physics, mathematics, and everywhere. So that's the reason. So you should know how to plot a sinusoidal wave. Or okay, so now it's time to annotate. Let us annotate. So I'll take ax. For that I need to take annotate method, and I'm gonna put local max. That's the first one. This is what I want to annotate. This is what I want it to be presented on top. So I want to select the maximum value. here this is the maximum, this part I want to annotate. But how can I do that? I need to get the coordinates of that point where I want to annotate. So I'll take xy is equals to, I have to give a tuple, it's 2 comma 1. See, I want x at this 2 and 1, so 2 comma 1 tuple I gave. And now xy text is the one, it's the information about the text. So how you want, so I'll give 3, that's the size, 3 comma 1.5, sorry. And more information after that, we'll add one more argument. This argument is how do you want to annotate, how do you want to represent, how do you want to mark it. So I'll go with the arrow that drops, arrow that drops. So arrow drops and is equals to, I'll put the tick of so in this I'm gonna take a face color first. Face color, as we know, we have to give one color, so I'll go with the black directly. I can mention a black, or I can mention a code, or shrink 0.05, and that's it. We have added enough. Now let's set limits for that overall border. So now the limit is only 1.1. Huh? Okay, let's see how it looks. Now we got an issue saying annotation object has no property arrow drops. Okay, sorry, that's my mistake. Arrow props. Okay, so this is what is happening. Now what had happened, the problem here is the local max and then the arrow mark, the both has been pushed out because the limit is 1.0 on y-axis. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a limit, I'm going to increase the limit. So x dot set underscore y limit, set y limit, bottom -2 and top 2, and here is that, you got it, you see that. Now it's from -2 to 2, and in between we got our wave. Okay, and the local max has also come inside the border of this. So this is how we annotate, and we can modify however way we want. So in this basic example, so both xy and xy text in data are in data coordinates. So there are a variety of other coordinate systems one can choose, and you can just explore what all are available. So basically, if you are working in visual analytics or data analytics, and you can explore more, and you can do literally magics with this.